Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, a quick update from Accenture's end about two updates basically. One is from the second phase of hiring and the second one is from the third phase of hiring update. So let's discuss one by one for both like ASC and FSC profiling. So basically for the third phase of hiring, let's discuss first. So for the third phase of hiring, people have got the virtual campus connect meeting which happened today approximately between 3 to 3:30 p.m. and this meeting was an online meeting in which was conducted through MS Teams. And Accenture people cleared doubts for the students from the very basic doubts they cleared out. So this was not a mandatory meeting. Just in case you did not attend, then also it's fine. It's totally fine. And just in case people did not get this meeting link also, then also it is fine. Any which ways they didn't receive, then also fine. So basically after this also, even if you didn't receive this, you will expect the assessment links for the further rounds. So don't worry at all. You have to wait for a while. I mean, it can take time to get your next round links about the assessment. So just wait for it. So this was the third phase of hiring update. Now let's discuss about the second phase of hiring. So in the second phase of hiring, you will receive an email about the pre-onboarding learning email, which is the the modules you'll get it. So that the modules will be approximately of 45 days. For all the further details, if you want to know, I'll just quickly end up this video because I mean the basic I'll let you know that it is a 45-day modules. And yes, after this you will have to this module you have to do it on your own. And I think in the mid of this modules you will get I mean they'll conduct a meeting wherein you can clear all your doubts. That is particularly a doubt session. And after this, I mean completing the 45 days of training, you will attend I mean you have to attend your TFA, which is technology fundamental assessment, and that is very important to clear. And for that complete information about TFA, you can check out other videos. I'll put the link in the description box, or you can check the playlist completely I mean explained very well. And for the Accenture this thing, in the TFA, so after this TFA will happen. So this was the update about the second phase of hiring. So people have started getting it. And so all the best guys. And yes, don't forget to subscribe the channel for the latest updates. Do share with your friends as well guys. Bye. Have a great day. Be safe. Take care.